Welcome to this beginner's guide to meditation. In this video, we'll explore the basics of meditation and how you can get started on your own meditation practice. Meditation has been shown to have numerous physical and mental benefits, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and concentration. Take a moment to reflect on how incorporating a meditation practice into your routine can help you lead a happier life. Before you begin meditating, it's important to create a comfortable and calming environment for yourself. Find a quiet and peaceful space, light a candle or some incense, sit on a cushion or on a yoga mat, and get ready to breathe deeply. One of the most important aspects of meditation is focusing on your breath. Start by taking deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Aim for slow and controlled breathing, and focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. As a beginner, it's important to start with simple meditation techniques that can help you ease into your meditation practice. One effective technique is to focus on a mantra or a word, repeating it in your mind with each inhalation and exhalation. Another technique is to focus on your breath and visualize the air flowing through your body. Congratulations on taking the first step towards incorporating meditation into your life. With regular practice, you'll begin to experience the numerous benefits of meditation and be on your way to a happier and healthier life.